Okay guys, this is two eggplants I put to roast on the stove. In the picture you can see. Um, I usually roast mine with garlic inside. Somewhere around 10-15 minutes. Depends on your eggplant. So this is Baigan Choka. I usually do half of onion, half a bundle of shallot, and turmeric pepper, and usually put crushed pepper also on top of it. Some salt to taste, and I love to put more black pepper on mines, and crush it up a little bit here. I put in real pepper in mine. You can put as much pepper or less pepper, less onion, whatever you want. This goes with roti or bake, sada roti, dose. Yeah. I love Baigan Choka. For the winter, I usually put 20 of them on the grill and grill it up and ziplock it. But here I'm gonna put the hot oil. I know in Guyana, the old folks, oh, this smells good, really good. The old folks use coconut oil. And you can put more peppers if you want. There we go. There's 3 more real pepper there. Put as much pepper as you want. But this is gonna taste good. Look at it. The texture is pretty good. I know some people like it with lots of tomatoes. I like to taste my eggplant, my baigan. And sometimes I do, like I said, I used to do a bunch of them on the grill. I'll do like 10 Ziploc for the winter for without tomatoes, and another 10 with tomatoes in mine. But today I just want to do it the old-fashioned way. And there you go. This very quick and easy recipe for your Baigan Choka. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell for more content. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.